320. That's how many problems the average luxury SUV develops in its first 3 years, according to J.D. Power. But the brands on today's list are at 140 problems or less. Consumer Reports just analyzed 380,000 real owner surveys. The gap between the best and worst car brands in 2026 isn't just wide, it's $30,000 in repair bills. Today, 7 car brands that you can trust with your money. Not because of marketing, because of math. Bulletproof reliability, sky-high resale, and owners who, when asked if they would buy it again, do not hesitate. Number 7 on this list is not just the most reliable brand for 2026. It is the most reliable automaker in history. I am also revealing the single most expensive mistake buyers make when choosing from these brands. It could cost you thousands. Starting with the brand that proves luxury does not have to bleed your wallet dry. Buick might be the biggest secret in the automotive world. While everyone chases flashy badges, smart buyers have been quietly buying Enclaves and Encores and sleeping soundly at night knowing their car will start every morning. Consumer Reports gives Buick a 51 out of 100 reliability score, landing in the top 10. But here is the headline that matters. Over 10 years, maintaining a Buick costs just $5,260, the lowest of any brand, beating even Toyota and Honda. A BMW or Mercedes costs $11,000 to $19,000. J.D. Power ranks Buick second overall, at 143 problems per 100 vehicles. The Enclave rivals Lexus for dependability, with virtually zero major issues beyond 100,000 miles. Owner satisfaction hits 78%, surpassing BMW and Mercedes. On Reddit, a Michigan driver shared that his Enclave crossed 147,000 miles last month, with the original engine and original transmission. His neighbor's BMW is on its third transmission at 80,000 miles. He said he sleeps fine. But here is the contrast. Buick's resale hovers at 52% after 5 years, trailing Japanese rivals. Still, for low-drama ownership and comfort, it is a smart underdog, especially the Encore GX for city drivers. Shifting to premium without the pain, number 6 is Acura. Acura bridges everyday reliability with upscale appeal, offering 90% of BMW luxury for 70% of the price, with half the headaches. Scoring 54 out of 100 in reliability, it shares Honda's durable foundations but adds refined touches. Safety shines with perfect ratings for the Integra and TLX. J.D. Power shows low issues in the RDX and MDX, which often reach 200,000 miles with routine care. Ownership costs sit around $7,000 over 10 years. The MDX can save about $8,000 in 5 years compared to a BMW X5. A California owner said they hit 120,000 miles on their 2019 MDX and had only one repair for a wheel bearing. Their previous Mercedes cost them $6,000 in the same time frame. They said they are never going back. Watch for occasional infotainment hiccups in newer models. For hybrid seekers, the MDX Sport Hybrid blends efficiency and power seamlessly. Now, the lone European entry at number 5, BMW. Once synonymous with repair woes, BMW has transformed into one of the most reliable luxury automakers on the planet. With a 58 out of 100 score, it outpaces Audi and Mercedes. It ranks number 2 in owner satisfaction across all brands. 71% of owners say they would buy the same vehicle again. Jake Fisher at Consumer Reports said that BMW's reliability now easily outshines every European rival. Gone are the N20 engine troubles. The new powertrains are bulletproof. The 3 Series now carries a perfect safety score. Owners report average maintenance of just $900 per year, comparable to a Honda Accord. A Texas owner told me that he was terrified to buy a BMW based on horror stories, but his 330i has 45,000 miles of trouble-free driving. The driving dynamics are incredible, and his wallet has not been destroyed. Yet parts can sting more than Asian brands. Do not confuse reliability with cheap repairs. For thrill seekers who refuse to compromise on driving pleasure, BMW finally delivers both. At number 4, a mainstay of American roads, Honda. Honda is practically synonymous with reliability, with over 40 million vehicles sold in the United States alone. It scores 59 out of 100, and it shows rare engine or transmission failures. The Civic is the best-selling compact car in American history. The Accord won Car and Driver's 10 Best a record 37 times. The CR-V dominates. The average Honda on American roads is 12 years old, 2 years older than the industry average. They last because they do not break, and because owners do not want to replace them. A Florida high miler reports their 2008 Accord has 287,000 miles, with the original engine and the original transmission. Total repair cost in 16 years was under $1,500. This car owes me nothing. Honda sensing comes standard, and hybrids like the CR-V deliver 40 miles per gallon. Some CVTs need monitoring. But Honda proves you do not need to overpay for peace of mind. You are not just buying a car, you are buying equity. The brand that doesn't just build cars, it builds cult followings. Subaru scores 63 out of 100, claiming the number 2 spot. Subaru also won Consumer Reports' overall brand report card for the second consecutive year. When you combine reliability, satisfaction, safety, and performance, Subaru beats BMW, beats Lexus, beats everyone. 97% of Subaru vehicles sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today. That's the highest percentage of any mainstream brand. Every single model comes with standard all-wheel drive. In snow states, this isn't luxury, it's survival. The Forester has off-the-charts reliability. The Outback is the unofficial state car of Colorado and Vermont. Owner satisfaction is 69%. Subaru owners are more satisfied than owners who paid $30,000 more for luxury brands. A Colorado adventurer shared, "My Outback has 198,000 miles. I have driven through blizzards that stopped every other car on the road. I have never been stuck. I have never been stranded. This car has become part of my family." Head gaskets are history in modern engines. The 2026 Forester Hybrid delivers 35 miles per gallon. Subaru does not just build reliable cars, they build cars that become part of your identity. Proving luxury and reliability aren't mutually exclusive, number 2, Lexus. Lexus sits at 60 out of 100, ranking 3rd for 2026. But the headline that matters is this: Lexus ranked number 1 in J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study for 3 consecutive years. After 3 years, Lexus vehicles have just 140 problems per 100 vehicles. The industry average is 202. That's 31% fewer problems. The RX has been America's best-selling luxury SUV for over 2 decades. The average Lexus costs 40% less to maintain over 10 years than a comparable BMW or Mercedes, saving you $3,500 to $5,000. Some Lexus vehicles actually appreciate in value. A clean LX from 5 years ago often sells for more than its original price. An Arizona owner says her RX 350 has 178,000 miles. She says she has done oil changes, brakes, tires, and 1 battery. That's it. Her mechanic laughs because he never sees her. Her sister's Audi. She is on a first-name basis with her service advisor. She will never buy anything but Lexus. The redesigned RX offers a plug-in hybrid with 37 miles of electric range. The GX and LX are built to last 300,000 miles. Lexus proves you can have your cake and eat it too. Luxury, performance, and bulletproof reliability. And now, the number 1 brand. The standard by which every other brand is measured. Toyota scores 66 out of 100, reclaiming the top spot. Toyota won 6 category awards in J.D. Power's Residual Value Awards, more than any other brand. They hold the Guinness World Record for the highest mileage vehicle ever, a 1966 Toyota pickup with 3.2 million miles. The Camry has been America's best-selling car for 22 of the last 25 years. The RAV4 is the best-selling SUV in the world. The Corolla is the best-selling nameplate in automotive history, with over 50 million sold. But Toyota's real genius is hybrid technology. While other automakers struggled to make reliable hybrids, Toyota perfected them. Toyota hybrids regularly go 300,000, even 400,000 miles on the original battery. 80% of all Toyotas sold in the last 20 years are still on the road. An Ohio veteran shared that his 2007 Camry has 312,000 miles, the original engine, the original transmission, and the original hybrid battery. He has spent less than $3,000 on repairs in 17 years. The car has outlasted 2 of his marriages, and he is buying another one next month. But here is the one mistake even smart buyers make. They do not consider the hybrid. Toyota's hybrid technology is not just about fuel economy, it is about longevity. Hybrid Toyotas have fewer mechanical issues than gas-only models because the electric motor reduces strain. The battery often lasts the life of the vehicle, and resale value is strong because hybrid Toyotas hold value better than gas models. If you are buying a Toyota in 2026 and there is a hybrid option, get the hybrid. Your wallet will thank you now. Your wallet will thank you later. There you have it. The 7 car brands you can trust: Buick, Acura, BMW, Honda, Subaru, Lexus, and Toyota. Each earned their place through data, owner satisfaction, and decades of delivering on promises. But remember, the brand is just the starting point. Research the specific model, get a pre-purchase inspection on used cars, and always consider the hybrid option. Drop a comment telling me which brand you trust most. If you are driving one of these 7, share your mileage and experience. Your story might help someone else make the right decision. Like this video and subscribe for more data-driven automotive content. Until next time, drive safe, buy smart, and remember, the best car is not the one with the fanciest badge. It is the one that starts every morning, holds its value, and never lets you down. See you in the next video.